Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a video using TubeBuddy. First, head over to YouTube and sign into the account, and then also make sure that you have the TubeBuddy extension installed and you also signed in there. Once you've done this, you need to make sure that you have one of the subscriptions to TubeBuddy, as in order for you to be able to schedule videos with TubeBuddy, you need to have one of these subscriptions. Then, once you've done that, head over to your YouTube studio, go to your content, and hover over any of the videos that you'd like to schedule. From here, you'll see the TubeBuddy icon. Simply click on here, and you'll see the Schedule tab, and you'll see Scheduled Publish. What you need to do is click on here. As I do not have any of the subscriptions, I'm not able to schedule the video. However, when you click on there, it will then give you all the information on how to schedule your video, what time you should schedule it, all the tags that you should add, the preferred title for the type of video that you're doing, etc. And then you can schedule it for the time that you'd like. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.